and welcome to this new video. We have the building of the Audi Quattro Tamiya, and this is part 5. This will be the last part of the frame, the chassis of the car, complete with all the electronics and all what you need to get it work. These are the pieces we are going to mount on the chassis today. We start from the wheels. We need ball bearings, and I put one here. Inside. Then we have this little steel shaft we have to put in the hole like this, and then the disc with the hexagon here for the wheel. Then we have the wheel. Okay, self-tapping nut, this one here. Where is it? Here. And the key. Okay, this is how to mount the wheel. Now the other three. Here we are. Next step, the body mount. By now we follow the instructions. Front 1 and 2. This is it. Now I have mounted following the instructions. Perhaps it depends from the position of the holes in the body. I have to change some position. If I mount this or this outside instead of inside, I have much wider space. So it depends from where do the whole of the body need the column to be. Last step, sponge bumper. That's it. Ready for the next step. How is it smooth? How it works very, very well. Very nice car. Next work we have to do is to mount the body and cut the body columns. Stand. How do you say? How do you call them? First of all, we have to do holes in the body. To do this. gently. The columns are mounted in the right place. Who knows? Okay. Right. Now, we have to decide where to cut them. How many holes? I want here 1, 2, 3. Third hole, in front we have to put a clip. Body clips, they are so big. Okay, third. 1, 2, 3. Then I think that I make a little O-ring with a silicone tube. 1, 2, 3. Here. This is for the front. Now the rear. Let's try. On the rear is good, on the front not. One and two. Nice. Okay. So this material is quite difficult to cut and to have with a good finishing. I've tried everything. Now I want to try something new. That is using the tube cutter. This is one out here. Here. Yes. Here. Nice. You can sign also in this way. I'm very satisfied of this work. Now we have to do little silicone rings. This is a very good way to put your body on. So it comes a little bit higher and it is perfect. What you say? We have a long work. Now we have to be a little bit artist, to paint, masking here black, here transparent, also the rear, here we have to mask it, then we have to paint, we have to put all the decals, wash, then the electrics, front and rear lamps. Then I would like to add something like a fender, because it's quite empty. The game is building, so we have no time limits. Up to the next, bye bye.